A wildfire in the Boundary Waters canoe area has now more than tripled in size.
BT4! This is TheSkeletor262! Can you hear me? Unable to hear you. Uplink iffy at best. We'll transmit my current status. Rumors of forest fires burning in Minnesota. Untrue! Twin Cities are actually on fire. Blue Battalion and Red Rangers engaged in battle. I have secured ammunitions and supplies, but do not have the personnel to move these items. We'll hide ammunitions at Breakaway Paintball until reinforcements arrive. Skeletor262, out! Men, let's move out! Fred, you're on point! Let's go!
Emergency alert system has been activated.